Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Scooter Sue here. It's an absolute scorcher of a day today. At least 30 degrees. We've got the Hotel Flamingo Oasis across the way. Have you ever stayed there recently, guys? What do you think? Used to be an absolutely fantastic hotel. Got the corner bar. And the Mandarin. Do an absolutely fantastic buffet. Wok buffet, $19.95. $14.95 for children over a certain height, and $9.95 for small children. Of course, drink not included with that. That's from 1 to 11. Has anybody tried it? Hotel Levante Club across the way as well. Rock and Roll House. Fantastic for a night out. Fantastic entertainment. And we've got the fabulous Alibaba's there. Lovely place, family run. You can have a special menu there for €12 or $13.50. And their kebabs are to die for, guys. Their pizzas are amazing. Burgers as well. Give them a try. Ali and his family are lovely. I've known Ali a long time now. I've known his babbies since they were tiny. Kebab house, an Indian there. Grandma's dumplings, still yet to try. Oh, look at them. Just makes me feel hungry just looking. Let me know if you've tried here. I must say the smells are amazing coming from there. Got Be a Friend Sport Bar. So hit the like, guys. Hit the share and hit the subscribe button.